Hi, folks. Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of October 4th, 2016. Dang near Halloween, guys. The charts we use in this presentation are provided to us by Trade Navigator, and we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here. And you can see after a couple week breakdown, they had about a week and a half up, and they seem to be turning back down again. Now, that does not mean they're turning down hard. They could possibly just be going to the 165.16 area here. If they don't hold that, the old low at 64.13, I'm not sure they'll hold that. They could just go marginally below it, but I doubt if they break this, they will hold that. They'll probably at least poke below it, and they could actually be in some trouble. They look like they've held right up here in the 68.20 area, which based on last week's close really wasn't expecting. I thought they'd get up here closer to 170. So the holding this lower resistance as well as breaking the 167.0405 area here in the middle so far, neither of those things look good. Still a good chance they could hold this 165.16 area, but again, if they break that, I kind of don't think they'll hold this low either. Now moving to stocks, they don't show the same activity level at all. So far this week is inside the last week, which was inside of the week before. So clearly they don't have a lot figured out yet. We've got a sort of the same situation here. We had resistance in it kind of starts at 2166 and goes up to around 2173. And they really haven't quite got there. They've missed that by a little bit. And so that leaves us with support here in the 2144.45 area, which not quite clear if they're holding it or not. They've been a little through it, but not by much. If they do continue lower, that would send them down probably to the 2120 area here. And this is sort of like the bond market in that if they don't hold that 2120, boy, they're heading down to the 2100 level next probably, and I don't feel real confident that they'd hold that if they go down there. We're kind of in a funny position here in that we've got a bunch of employment data come out for the rest of the week, and they're showing some weakness here on Tuesday, which is a little unusual. So that employment data will probably either reverse them back up or send them lower. And if it sends them lower, could be lower in a major way. Not really predicting that, just, circumstances is there. This coming back up and not getting to the old highs and then sideways and down again, that would not be a good looking pattern. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable